Hey guys, Josh here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to show you our new 2026 Yamaha AR190. This boat just came in. It is a beautiful boat that's going to be paired with a black painted trailer. There's a Shorelander trailer. It's got disc brakes on it. This boat is the white hull color. It's got a black accent stripe above the rub rail with a little nice detail of a silver pinstripe that goes above that black accent stripe. Let's walk around to the back and I can show you a little bit more. Guys, I'm standing here at the back of the 2026 Yamaha AR190. We have Yamaha's signature swim platform. This is a great area to hang out if you're going to be anchored up in a cove, or if you're even just hanging out at the sandbar. You can hang out here at the back of the boat. There's some nice seating around. You got your cup holders. There's the telescoping swim ladder. And with all of the 2026 model Yamahas, they're going to have the receivers for your pedestal seats. So if you wanted to order those pedestal seats, you can order those. They don't come with this boat, but they're a great accessory to put on this boat to hang out in the water. You can sit right here and use this as a nice little bar top, have your drinks there, and just hang out with all your friends and family. Let's climb aboard and look inside. Guys, we're standing inside of the 2026 AR190. As you can see in the bow, there's a lot of great seating up front with your wraparound seat cushions. Good storage up underneath. You've got some audio up front as well. As we move back, you've got some storage up underneath the helm. There's also a tabletop that's stored in there to be able to mount in the boat. More storage underneath the port side console. As we move back, we've got a really comfortable captain's chair with a flip-up bolster. Got your binnacle, got a tilt steering wheel, got your Yamaha Connect screen, got your Bluetooth AM/FM radio. All of your switching is there. Got a nice phone mount there. As we move back, you can see we've got our table mount over here behind the captain's chair. We've got some nice wraparound seating here in the cockpit and a nice port side bench. That way you can lay out and relax. Here we've got the 1.9 liter four-cylinder, four-stroke high-output motor. This boat also has the watersports tower, so you've got your anchor light up top, and you also have an extra tow point. Got our bimini top. Guys, this is a beautiful boat. Awesome for hanging out with your friends and family. If you have any questions about it or would like to come see it, stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom or give us a call.